Hi there, I'm Hannah, and this is Sheet Leveler, where we make Excel quick, easy, and fun to learn with our bite-sized tutorials. Ready to master copying formulas without messing up your references? Let's go. If you've ever tried copying a cell with a formula and pasting it somewhere else, you may have noticed something. The cell references often change automatically. While this can be useful in some situations, and we'll cover those in another video, there are times when you need the cell references to stay exactly as they are. Here's how to make that happen. Start by clicking on the cell containing the formula you want to copy. Instead of copying the whole cell, click into the formula bar at the top of the screen. This allows you to work with the formula text directly. Highlight the formula and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Hit Escape to exit the formula bar without making changes. Click on the target cell where you want the formula to go. Let's say it's cell I12. Click into the formula bar of the target cell and press Ctrl+V to paste the copied formula. Press Enter, and voila! The formula has been copied exactly, with no changes to the cell references. Now, both the original cell, EJG, G3, and the new one, I12, will show the same formula, referencing the same range of cells. For instance, if your formula adds up values from C3 to F3, both cells will still point to that range. Copying a range of formulas without changing cell references. Now let's take it up a notch. What if you have a whole column of formulas and want to copy them elsewhere without altering any references? Don't worry, it's just as doable. Let's walk through it step by step. Highlight the cells with the formulas you want to copy. For example, if you're working in column G, select all the relevant cells in that column. Go to the Home tab and find the Find and Select option. Click on it and choose Replace from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear. In the Find What field, type the equal sign. This is how Excel recognizes formulas. In the Replace With field, type a placeholder. Use something unique, like SL for Sheet Leveler, to avoid conflicts with your data. Click Replace All. Now, the equal signs in your formulas are replaced with SL, temporarily turning them into plain text. Copy the text version of the formulas using Ctrl+C and paste it into the target location, e.g., column J, with Ctrl+V. At this point, the copied cells will still display the placeholder SL, instead of functioning as formulas. But don't worry, we'll fix that next. Open, Find and Select again and choose Replace. This time in the Find What field, type your placeholder SL. In the Replace With field, type the equal sign. Click Replace All. Excel will now convert the text back into working formulas. Let's check our work. To make sure everything is correct, click on one of the copied cells in the new range, like J12. You'll see that its formula matches the original, including all the cell references. For instance, if the original formula in G3 summed the range C3 to F3, the formula in J12 will still reference C3 to F3. And that's it. You've successfully copied formulas without changing their cell references, whether it's a single formula or a whole range. This trick is a real time saver, especially for large datasets. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your feedback. Be sure to check out our other videos for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.